Hello, I am Maria Angelina. I am in 7th grade and we will to learn make to mac cheese. This is a typical food in Estados Unidos.
This is a delicious recipe.
The ingredients for our recipe will be macaroni, butter, a glass of milk, mozzarella cheese, parmesan cheese, wheat flour, salt, color, and grated garlic. First, boil plenty of water. Second, put a tablespoon of butter in another pan, and then put it to melt. Third, add a tablespoon of wheat flour to the pan of butter. We mix. Fourth, we put the glass of milk and stir well. 15. Until now our mixture has had a color, but now we are going to add color at great basil. We are going to stir very well, and we notice that this is baking on an orange tone. We are also going to add salt. Enough time will pass as the water is boiling. We are going to put the macaroni in the pot and we are going to stir frequently so that they don't stick to the bottom on the pot. And so 15 minutes. Then put the mozzarella cheese into small squares and put in the mashes. Look how delicious our cream! The smell is a springy row house. Look please, don't miss this delicious show. The sauce is finished making. After 50 minutes, we put the macaroni in a colander for a minute. Now we are going to put the macaroni in the sauce and we are going to stir.